Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be making galaxy slime, and I'll be posting maybe one video or two videos a day. Yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna make galaxy slime. So we're gonna need lots of glitter. So you're gonna need like you're gonna need black glitter. A black glitter and white glitter, even though the slime's gonna already be white. Yeah. So first you want to add your glue, white glue. You can use any type of glue you want. You can use an 8-ounce or even smaller than a gallon. And you can choose to put water or no water. Today I'm not gonna do no water. Yeah? Why? I am. I'm making a video right now. Hold on. Oh, by the way, okay, so I might have already saw my Cinco de Mayo slime video not too long ago. It was like an hour or 2 hours ago, like this morning. So now you're gonna just add your glitter. Let's add the black glitter first. Everywhere, because this mostly needs to be black. And then you want to add white glitter, but not as much as the black. Okay, so now you just want to mix it. It's probably going to be very, very glittery. Oh my god. It just looks like Oreo milk. That's what it just looks like. It just looks like Oreo milk. So I guess this is not Galaxy. I guess it's like Oreo now. This looks like actual Oreo, but with more cream. Okay, now... activator time. I really hate it when it just slides around and it's not mixing at all. It's just I just hate mixing. My arm already hurts. Oh, so by the way, we're about to start a party here, for Cinco de Mayo. So it might get loud. So if it gets loud, then that's the party. But they're not here yet. It starts in an hour. I wonder if you guys are celebrating Cinco de Mayo. Comment down below if you're celebrating if you celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Please share this video to your other friends and family, or other people that you know that are into slime. They might like my videos because it's mostly slime, based on slime. Because right next to me over here is a big bucket of slime. Well, not like a slime, but it's like mini slimes. I have like slimes that I bought, slimes that mostly homemade, and some that I borrowed. And then I'm just keeping it now. Yeah, this really looks like Oreo now. Yeah, so I think I might just call this Oreo instead of Galaxy. It's almost done. Arm hurts. I think I might try using my left hand. Oh, this is hard. Okay, I'm gonna use my right. Oh my god, it's the scrambled egg stage again. I hate this part. It just keeps sliding around in the borax. Like, mix! If you have any other like slime ideas, comment them down below. Comment other slime ideas, like what should I do? Like maybe like holiday slime, or like maybe like a very classic slime or color slime. And I'll give shout outs to those people who comment some good ideas, and I'll do those ideas on a video. If you guys put down some ideas. It's almost done. Oh, so I think I might just post 2 videos on the weekends and 1 video on or maybe not on like school week. Maybe I won't. Maybe not a lot, like every day, or like post every day. But I will try to catch up with my vlogs, or my videos. I'm not gonna do like I'm not gonna do like this. I hate this. When I first started slime, I was like, since I was like in 1st grade, since it started, like how to make slime, it's a trend, and it's like, oh, let me try it. I failed on most of them. They were like putty. like it wouldn't stretch like the ones I make now. They would literally just rip like paper. Now everything is turning out way better. I think it's because I added way too much borax inside the water. And what I would do is like pour a whole cup of borax water. That's what I would do. I wouldn't have this to help control it, and I didn't know a lot about slime. And I really like at that time. I really just like original and fluffy. Those are like old now. Now there's like other stuff like cloud and cloud cream, butter, candle. And then all these trends start popping up. I'm like, how do you do that? And then my sister was way better. It's like, could I have some? It's like, no, 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 no. Okay, it's done. And I guess it's the Oreo milk now. And I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when I ever post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!